Hello everyone, this is Aarti and welcome you all at my YouTube channel. In my last video, I discussed about conditional statement in Python, and in this particular video, I will be discussing about what are the loops in Python. So let's get started. So first of all, uh, we will discuss what is loop. Okay? What is loop? Why we need loop? And after that, we will see what all are the types of loops in Python and all. Okay. So what is loop? Like if I want to do some task, repetitive task, then that's called loop. Okay, repetitive task is called loop. Okay, and now what is the need of loop? Okay, so let's see. Uh, I'm writing some code like print hello world. Okay, now I have printed this. Okay, so I have printed this one time. But what if I want to print it 2 times? I can print easily. But what if I want to print it 10 times, 100 times, or 1000 of times? It will be very hectic process. Like it will take lots of space, right? Same line of code I'm writing 100 times, 1000 times, and it will take lots of space and lots of energy as well, right? So now doing this task automatically, what we can do, we can just write 3 or 4 line of code and we can print it 10 means as many as times we want to print this. Okay, so let's see how we can print that. Okay, so first of all I will be talking about while loop, and after that I will be talking about for loop. Okay, so let's see what is while loop. So for while loop we are having a while keyword. Okay, and before this we are having 3 things in while loop. The first thing is initialization of the while loop. Okay, so what we will initialize it? We will initialize the variable. Okay, so like I equals to 1 I have taken, and then the second thing is I have to do uh, the condition. I have to give the condition like I is less than equals to 5. Okay, I want to do some task for 5 times. Okay, same task for 5 times, so I'm giving the condition as 5, and then the colon. Okay, and after that there will be some indentation here. Okay, and after that the third thing is, like the first thing is initialization, and the second thing is the condition, and the third thing is whatever I want to do, like increment or decrement. Okay, so in this case I will be incrementing the I by 1 value. Okay, and with this, okay, so this is our while loop. That is, we have completed our while loop. What is the structure? This is the structure, common structure of every while loop. Okay, now whatever we want to do, that we have to give here. Like I want to print hello world, okay, 5 times. So I'm giving what is the task actual that we want to do. So I want to print hello world. Okay, and this is 5 times. So here you can see I am printing this 5 times, hello world 5 times. And as you can see, like if you want to print this 10,000 of times, just we have to change here only, right? We have to just give here 10,000 and it will print 10,000 of times. Okay, I'm not printing this. Okay, it will take some time, it will take lots of time for that, so I'm not doing that, but I'm doing this for only 5 only for 5 times. Okay, now here you can also see what is the value of I. Okay, like every time I is incrementing, right? So here you can see the value of I. Okay, yeah, so here you can see the value of I, and then it's printing hello world, and every time it's incrementing value of I and it's printing hello world. And here you can as well do the decrement as well, right? So here I equals to 10, I taking I equals to 10, and it's okay. Here I can check uh, I is greater than equals to 5. Okay, I have changed the condition here. As you can as I have as we have learned in our previous videos, the operators, like this is a conditional operator, right, that is greater than equals to, and here we can do this thing, I equals to I minus 1, and let's print this. It's printing from 10 to 5 like this. Okay, and here you can do some more things in this while loop, right? You can do nested while loop, like you can use another while loop in the while loop, and you can use some conditional statements, right? If else statement you can also use, like if I mod 2 is equals to 0, then only uh, we will print this hello world, otherwise we will not print. And so what is this mode? As we have learned in our previous video, mode is an operator, like this is used for finding the reminder, right? Finding the reminder, for that we are using mode. Okay, modulus. And let's run this, and as you can see, what this line is doing, it's only like even numbers. Okay, from 5 to 10, okay, or we can say 10 to 5, it's printing all the even numbers, and as many times the even numbers are there, it's printing hello world. So here you can see 6, 8, 10 all are even numbers. Okay, and that's it for today's video.